Okay. I think the PowerPoint is visible to all of you. Quelle heure est-il? Or what is the time? Telling the time in French. Uh, I will be recapping certain things and also teaching a few new things to round off the discussion on telling the time in French. So I think I did mention the last time that in France, people often use the 24-hour clock instead of the 12-hour clock. So instead of saying 1 p.m., they would say 13 hours or il est 13 heures. Or instead of saying 11 p.m. at night, they would say 23 hours. So 26 heures, il est 26 heures. Okay. So for 2 p.m., they would say, what would they say? What is there written on the slide? I've written that in the message also that I gave you for this class. Il est what? 14 heures. Il est 14 heures. That is, it is 14 hours. So, what would the following times be in French? 4 p.m. Okay. Can we write that as an exercise? Pratiquer, pratiquer ici, to practice here. 4 p.m. That means what? 4 p.m. How many hours is it? I can write 4 p.m. as il est. What is it? 4 p.m. means 4 p.m. in the evening, right? Il est 4 heures, de 4 heures de l'après-midi, in the afternoon, right? Or 4 p.m. means how many hours? 16 hours, right? So il est 16 heures. It is 16 heures. So if I write 16 heures, then I do not have to mention that it is 4 p.m. It is in the morning or evening or afternoon or whatever. 9 p.m. and 7 p.m. What would I write over there? 9 p.m. Very simple. Il est 9 heures. Il est 9 heures le soir. It is 9 hours in the evening. Or il est 21 heures. It's 21 hours. Il est 21 heures. The other one is 11 p.m. So what will I write that? Il est 11 heures le soir. Or I can write il est 23 heures. Il est 23 heures. So if the French people prefer the 24-hour clock, then they would rather say for 4 p.m. it is 6 heures. For 9 p.m. they would say il est 21 heures. For 11 p.m. they would say il est 23 heures. Okay. All right. So when we are not using the 24-hour clock, then we can say du matin or in the morning, de l'après-midi or in the afternoon, du soir or in the evening. For example, il est 12 heures de l'après-midi. It is 2 p.m. Okay, so you can write similarly for it's 1 a.m. and 6 p.m. also. Now, can you say what's the time according to the clock in the first picture? What will you say? What is the time? Quelle heure est-il? What is the time according to the clock in the first picture? Yes, somebody tell me in English.
5.
5 what is it, AM or PM, that you cannot make out. Okay, so let's say that it is 5 PM. Then what will you say? Il est 5 heures. Il est 5 heures, and if it is in the afternoon, de l'après-midi. Okay, il est 5 heures de l'après-midi. Il est 9 heures. What about the second one? Okay, just give me a minute. I'm coming. You just think of it. The second and the third picture, I will ask you in a minute. Just hold on for a minute. Okay, so what about the second one? Il est 9 heures. Second one, suppose it is 9 p.m. Il est 9 heures du soir. I'm not getting any response. Okay. Again, when we talk about the time past the hour, for example, if it is 1:10, then I would have to say il est 1h10. Okay. So we don't mention the number of minutes in French. We say so many hours and then give the number of the minutes. Il est 1h10. Okay. Or 3 hours 26 minutes, you'll say il est 3 heures 26. 3 hours 26. Okay. If you want to specify the morning, evening, then you have to say il est 1h10 du matin. Okay. So if it is in the morning, then you mention that, or if it is in the afternoon, again you mention that. Now 15 and 30 past the hour have special expressions. Now suppose you have 15 after 15. Yes. Okay. So let me explain this. 15 minutes. So 1 hour 15 minutes. Il est il est 1 heure du quart. Il est 1 heure du quart. If it is 1:30, il est 1 heure et demie. Il est 1 heure du quart. Il est 1 heure et demie. If I want to say 1:45, 1:45, then it will be, now here it is a little complicated. I have to say 2 p.m. minus 15 minutes. So I will say il est 12 heures moins le quart. 2 hours minus a quarter. This is a bit complicated. Okay, il est très compliqué. So listen carefully. If it is 1:45, I will say il est 12 heures moins Moins le quart. That is, it is 2 hours minus 15 minutes. 1:15. So il est 1 heure de quart. Sorry, it is 1 heure et quart. Okay, I have made a mistake over there. Please, I will correct it. Il est 1 heure et quart. Second one, 1:30 is il est 1 heure et demie. And if it is 1:45, it will be il est 12 heures moins le quart. So you have this 15 minutes after is a car, 30 minutes after is a demi. For example, 1:15 is il est 1 heure et quart, and 2:30 is il est 12 heures et demi. I suppose if I ask you to write the practice times, you will not write. So I will give you home assignments based on that. So if it is 45 minutes, just I wrote I wrote this one. 10:45, il est 11 heures moins le quart. So 11 hours minus 15 minutes. Okay, I will again come back to this after some time because I think you may be having some issues with understanding the time. So it may not be very clear to you all the time. I cannot make out from your responses whether you have understood or not. So I will be giving you a home assignment on this and I will follow this up by a revision work on the times once again. Though I have done the basic things regarding telling the time in French. Now I would like to go on to a different topic now. That is, we have talked about the time. Now I'm going to talk about the weather. So let me display this for you. Okay, so this is about the weather. So when we talk about the weather, the question that we ask is, quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like? Temps means the weather. Quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like? So what can you say about the first one? It's raining, isn't it? The second one, there's a snowman, so it's snowing. Third one, sunny weather. Fourth one, cloudy, then windy, and there's a storm, stormy weather, the last one. So these are the 6 types that are talked about. So if it is sunny, then we say il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil. You can note this. Of course, you will get the video of the class later on. Il y a du soleil. That means it is sunny. Il y a du soleil means it is sunny. Il y a du vent means it is windy. Il y a du brouillard means it is cloudy. Il y a du brouillard means it's cloudy. Il y a des orages means it's stormy. There's thunder and lightning. Il pleut means it's raining. Il neige means it's snowing. Il fait froid means it's cold. Il fait chaud means it's hot. Okay, let me go back once again. Quel temps fait-il means what's the weather like. So il y a du soleil means it's sunny. Il y a du vent means it's windy. Let me go through it slowly. Il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil means it is sunny. Il y a du soleil. Repeat after me. Il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil means it is sunny. Il y a du soleil means it is sunny. Il y a du vent means it is windy. Il y a du vent means it is windy. Il y a du vent means it's windy. Il y a du brouillard means it is cloudy. Il y a du brouillard means it is cloudy. Il y a des orages means there's stormy weather. Il y a des orages means there's a storm brewing. It's thunder and lightning. Il pleut means it's raining. Il pleut means it's raining. Il pleut means it's raining. Il neige. Il neige means it's snowing. Il neige means it's snowing. Il fait froid means it's cold. Il fait chaud means it's hot. Okay, so I think this is an exercise. We have to play the recording, so to get that. But this is not playing over here. Anyway, I will be playing a recording for you. Let me go to the recording, then I will play it for you. Phrases about the weather, and then weather with Alexa once again at the end. Okay, now I'm going to display this one. Okay, I think you can see the video.
Yes.
Hmm.
In this video, we are going to look at the weather phrases. What is the weather like? Quel temps fait-il? Il fait du soleil. Il fait du vent. Il fait du brouillard. Il fait de l'orage. Il fait chaud. Il fait froid. Il fait beau. Il fait mauvais. Il pleut. Il neige. Il y a des nuages. C'est nuageux. Quel temps?
Okay, I think there are one or two phrases which are not used by me, so I think I should explain that.
Il y a des nuages.
Il y a des nuages means it's cloudy. There are clouds in the sky, so il y a des nuages. You can guess from the picture. It means it's cloudy.
C'est nuageux.
C'est nuageux means it's cloudy.
Quel temps fait-il? Il fait du soleil.
It's sunny.
Il fait du vent.
It's windy.
Il fait du brouillard.
It's cloudy. It is
Il
foggy.
fait de l'orage.
It's
Il fait
stormy.
chaud.
It's cold.
Il fait froid.
Il fait chaud is it
Il
is
fait
hot.
beau.
Sorry. I think I should pause this. Il fait du soleil is it is sunny. Il fait du vent is it is windy. Il fait du brouillard is that it is foggy. Il fait de l'orage means it's stormy. Il fait chaud is it is cold. Il fait chaud is it is hot. Il fait froid is it is cold. Il fait beau means the weather is fine.
Il fait mauvais.
The weather is bad.
Il pleut.
It's raining.
Il neige.
It's snowing.
Il y a des nuages.
It's
C'est
cloudy.
nuageux. À bientôt. Au revoir.
Okay. So these were some of the phrases, and now let us listen briefly to a song. No, I'll play the song at the end maybe. Let us listen to Alexa talking in details about the weather. Is it visible to you, the video?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Bonjour et bienvenue à Learn French with Alexa. Today, folks, we are going to learn about the weather and the seasons. So I titled this lesson Le temps et les saisons. Indeed, the word temps means weather, but it also means time. Okay, let's start. So, quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? What is the weather like? Well, you have different ways of saying the weather, obviously, like any other languages, but I will teach you a few, okay? Il fait beau. It is sunny. Il fait beau. Répétez. Il fait beau. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait beau. You could also say, il y a du soleil. It's sunny. Il y a du soleil. It is sunny. Now, il y a means there is or there are, and soleil in French means sun. There are sun, or there are some sun, or there is some sun. Okay, that's the literal translation. So, il y a du soleil means it is sunny as well as il fait beau. Now, here's another one. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. And what do you think that means? That means it is hot. Very good. Chaud means hot. Okay, can you say chaud? Well done. Bravo. Now, notice that literally, il fait means it does. It does. So, il fait chaud would be it does hot. Il fait beau will be it does beautiful. It does sunny. Okay. Obviously, I know it means nothing in English, but I am just making you aware that il fait does not mean it is. Okay, it means it does in French, but we just happen to use il fait when we talk about the weather. Yeah. It does or makes hot. Okay, now faire is used in two ways. It is used to describe it does and it makes as well. Okay, so let's carry on with the weather. Now this one is il pleut. Can you say that? Il pleut. Très bien. Now, il pleut is it's raining. I just happen to have my umbrella or parapluie here. Il pleut. Can you say that? Très bien. Il pleut. Okay, it is raining. Bravo. Now, guess what is the weather like now? Attention. Très bien. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. Now, like il fait chaud, it does hot. We say il fait froid, it does cold. Okay? It is cold. Now, can you say froid? Well done. Froid. Okay? Il fait froid. Now, another one. Il y a des nuages. Il y a des nuages, which literally means there is or there are some clouds, okay? There are some clouds. Il y a des nuages. Now, it is cloudy. You could also say c'est nuageux. It is cloudy. C'est nuageux, okay? Now, to finish, il y a du brouillard. It is foggy. Il y a du brouillard. D'accord? Now, that word, brouillard, is quite hard to say. Can you say brouillard? Yeah, with a r sound. Brouillard. Très bien. That's a tough one, this one. Okay? Not that you would often say il y a du brouillard, to someone. Though in England you might. Never know. Il y a du brouillard. Okay? Now, what I would like to do now with you is play a little game. Tell me, what is the weather like if I put this on? Uh-huh. You got a few options. Il pleut, il fait froid, il fait chaud, il fait beau, il y a des nuages, il y a du brouillard. Uh-huh. Il fait beau. It's sunny. Il fait beau. That's what it means. Il fait beau. Très bien. Now here's another game. What is the weather like now? Uh-huh. Il fait froid. Brrr. Il fait froid. Très bien. Il fait froid. Another one. Attention. What is the weather like now? Très bien. Il fait beau and probably hot as well. So, il fait chaud. Très bien. Il fait chaud. Okay, and last but not least, what is the weather like now? Il pleut. Très bien. Il pleut. Bravo. Well done. You're doing well.
I think you have already done the seasons, but that was quite an interesting way of demonstrating the weather. There is a small song related to the weather, which I would like to play for you by Alain Lillet. C'est une chanson de français par Alain Lillet. A song in French by Alain Lillet. So, just a few minutes to enjoy the song. Okay. Visible? Say visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. I'll play the song for you.
canard. Quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui? Est-ce qu'il fait chaud aujourd'hui? Non, il fait froid aujourd'hui. Il y a de la neige, le ciel est gris. Il ne fait pas chaud aujourd'hui, sauf pour les pingouins. Quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui? Est-ce qu'il fait beau aujourd'hui? Non, il pleut aujourd'hui. Il y a un orage et beaucoup de pluie. Il ne fait pas beau aujourd'hui, sauf pour les canards.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. Uh, there were a lot more in the lyrics of the song, which probably you did not understand. What actually is trying to say is this a kind of question and answer. What's the weather like? Is it fine? So the first answer is no, it's not fine. It's raining a lot, and it's okay for the ducks. The canard, those are the ducks. Okay, and the second one, what's the weather like? Is it fine? No, it's cold, and in fact it's snowing, and the sky is gray, and there's a lot of snow over there, and it's okay for the penguins. Okay, the penguins. So those are the penguins in the ice and snow. And again, it's talking about the ducks. The next picture. Back to the first one. Repetition. So that was a song by Alain Delay of Quel temps fait-il. So I think you have learned the basic phrases regarding the use of the weather, the use of the phrases relating to the weather in French. So suppose I ask you, you should be able to tell me. So I'm just revising. So il fait beau means what? Il fait beau. Il fait beau means
It's sunny.
it's sunny. Good. Il fait chaud means what? It is
It,
hot or cold?
it's hot.
It is hot. Very good. Il fait froid means it is
Cold.
it's cold. Fine. Okay. Il y a du soleil means it is il y a du soleil
Sunny.
means it is sunny. Good. Il y a des nuages means it is
Cloudy.
it's cloudy. Very good. Very good. Il y a des nuages means there are clouds in the sky. Des nuages, these are the clouds in the sky. So it's cloudy. I can also say c'est nuageux. C'est nuageux means it's cloudy. Okay. Il y a du vent means it is
Windy.
it's windy. Great. Okay. Il y a du neige means it is snowing.
Snowing.
Yeah, it's snowing. Il y a du vent means it is oh sorry, I have repeated that. So il y a du vent means it's windy. Il y a du brouillard. what Alexa was saying, it's a bit tough. Mademoiselle Alexa, I should say. What Mademoiselle Alexa said was a bit tough. Il y a du brouillard means it is foggy.
Foggy.
It is foggy. And she said you're likely to say that if you are in England, so it is often foggy over there. Uh, English weather is not very good weather, so it's hardly, you can say il fait beau. No, it's not il fait beau. You have to say il fait mauvais en Angleterre. Il fait mauvais en l'Angleterre. En Angleterre. So what is it? It is bad. The weather is bad in England. Okay. So il fait mauvais. That is very common over there in England. Not so in India, I think. In India, it is quite sunny. Anyway, what's the weather like today? As I look out of the window for me over here, it's not very sunny. It is il y a des nuages. I can see clouds in the sky. What is it like? Because I think you are in different places, not in one place, but what is it like over there? So, Preetham, what is the weather like where you are? Where are you? Preetham, where are you? I can see you are unmuted, so I'm asking you. You don't have to answer me in French, answer me in English. Where are you based at the moment? Preetham is not saying anything. Saurav Chatterjee, Saurav, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Where are you? The answer to that is yes, sir. Where are you?
No, sir. I'm in my house
Yes, where is that?
in Bakura.
Okay, Bakuda. So what's the weather like over there?
It's sunny, quite sunny.
It's sunny. Okay, great. So you can see the difference. In Kolkata, it is cloudy, at least where I am. So
Yes,
in
sir.
Bakuda, it is sunny. So il y a du soleil or Bakuda. So it's sunny over there. Okay. Okay, let me ask everybody. Amit Tiwari. Amit, what's the weather like?
Windy.
Okay, windy over there. Ankush Kumar Tiwari. Ankush, what's the weather like?
Foggy, sir.
It's foggy. So il y a des brouillards. Okay. Orpita Chatterjee. What's the weather like?
Summer, sir.
It's sunny. Summer. No,
Yes,
we are
sir. Sorry, sir.
we are not in summer.
Sunny,
It's
sunny.
sunny. Okay. Right. Where are you, Orpita, at the moment?
So Barakpur.
Barakpur. Okay. So it's sunny in Barakpur. How lucky.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Deborima Shaha. Deborima, what's the weather like?
Sunny, sir.
Sunny. Where are you?
Noihati.
Noyati. Okay. So it's sunny over there in Noyati. Is it only cloudy in Kolkata? Okay. Great. Nupur. Nupur Dhar. Nupur, what's the weather like? And where are you? Nupur is not saying anything.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Where are you based? And what's the
Chumrali.
okay? What's the weather like over there?
What, sir?
What is the weather like over there? So she's not saying anything. So I assume that it is good. Pritam Shaw.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What's the weather like? And where are you?
Sir, I'm from Kankinala.
Okay.
Sunny.
Weather, sunny weather. Okay. Good. Rishabh Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
What's the weather like?
Sunny.
Sunny. Okay. Where are you?
Howrah.
Oh,
Sir, your voice is inaudible.
Connectivity problem was there. Okay, now I'm audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine. All right,
No, sir.
fine. No, I'm audible or not? Yes, I think I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible.
Yes,
Okay,
sir,
okay.
audible, sir.
All right, fine. So Shobik Shaha, then Soham Shaha.
Yes, sir. So,
Okay, thank you. Then Shoumen Chandra.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then Saurav Chatterjee.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then let me see. Well, that's all. Okay. Hmm. Okay, thanks a lot for joining me.
sir, I am present.
Yes, you are.
Sir, I'm also present.
Sir, I couldn't hear you. Sir, your voice is cracking.
Okay, okay, all right.
Sir,
All right, all
I'm
right.
also
Okay,
present, sir.
Sir, I'm also.
Sir has left, I think so.
अब नहीं मिलेगा अटेंडेंस जाओ लोग सर ने जिस से क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया उसको दे दिया है सर ने
तो उससे नहीं पूछा ना?
मुझसे पूछा भाई मैंने बता दिया
वो
उससे
हम
नहीं
तो सो
पूछा
गए
तू
थे।
कहाँ रहता है
अरे भाई हम तभी उठे।
तो उठ गया तो चल तेरा अटेंडेंस अगले साल मिलेगा फिर
हाँ ठीक है।
चल भाई फॉर्म में का क्लास ज्वाइन करना
भाग यार, अब सोने जा रहा हूँ, फिर मिलेंगे।